Welcome to aminacademy.com. In Operation Research, let us discuss about decision making. Many times we speak about decision as if we know much about decision, but what is decision? What it comes of? What it consists of? What are its characteristics? Let us have brief discussion about the word decision. As much of our time we deal with decision making process in operation research. A decision is the conclusion of process designed to weigh the relative uses of utilities of a set of alternative on hand so that decision makers select the best alternative which is best of his problem or situation and implement it. Decision making involves all activities and thinking that are necessary to identify the most optimal or preferred choice among the available alternatives. The basic requirement of decision making are a set of goals or objectives, method of evaluating alternatives in an objective manner, a system of choice criteria, and a method of projecting the repercussion of alternative choice of course of action. The evaluation of consequence of each course of action is important due to sequential nature of decision. Decision making is the process of making choice by identifying a decision, gathering information, and assessing alternative resolutions. Using the step-by-step decision making, the process can help you make more deliberate, thoughtful, and decision by organizing relevant information and defining alternatives. Now we'll discuss about further steps of decision making. First one, identify the decision. Before starting decision making, we have to identify what it is. You realize that you need to make a decision. Try to clearly define the nature of the decision you must make. This first step is very important. The second one, collect some pertinent information about before you make your decision. What information is needed, the best source of information, and how it get it. This step involves both internal and external work. Some information is internal. You will seek it through a process of self-assessment. Other information is external. You will find it online in books from other people and from other sources. Step 3, identify the alternatives. As you collect information, you will probably identify several possible paths of action or alternatives. You can also use your imagination and additional information to construct new alternatives. In these steps, you will list all possible and desirable alternatives. Weigh on the evidence. Fourth step, draw on your information and emotions to imagine what it would be like if you carried out each of the alternatives to the end. Evaluate whether the need identified in step 1, that is decision sorting, would be met or resolved through the use of each alternatives. As you go through this difficult internal process, you will begin to favor certain alternatives, those that seem to have higher potential for reaching your goal. Finally, place the alternatives in priority order based upon your own value system. Next step, choose among alternatives. Once you have weighed all the evidence, you are ready to select the alternative that seems to be best one for you. You may even choose a combination of alternatives. Your choice in step 5 may very likely to the same or similar to the alternative you placed at the top of your list at the end of step 4. Next one, take action. You are now ready to take some positive action by beginning to implement the alternative. That means after choosing among the alternatives, you have to take action. The last step, review your decision, its consequences. In this final step, consider the result of your decision and evaluate whether or not it has resolved the need you identified. If the decision has not met the identified need, you may want to repeat certain steps of the process to make a new decision. For example, you might want to gather more detailed or somewhat different information or explore additional alternatives. Now, for the discussion, decision making can also classified into 3 categories based on the level at which they occur. Strategy decision set of strategy decisions set of course of organization, tactical decision or decisions about how thing will get done. Finally, operational decisions are decisions that employees make each day to run the organization. Types of decision is strategic, tactical, operational. Now, quality of decision maker, that is, a good decision maker chooses action that give the best outcome for themselves and others. They enter into the decision making process with an open mind and do not let their own biases sway them. They make decisions rationally after researching alternatives and understanding the consequences. Decision making can also be classified into 3 categories based on the level at which they occur. Strategic decision set the course of organization. Tactical decision are decisions about how things will get done. Finally, operational decision are decisions that employees make each day to run the organization. Now, the main objectives of decision making is to maximize profit, minimize cost, and achieve higher satisfaction. So far, we shortly discussed about decision making and its classification and its need. In future videos, we will discuss further about operation research theory. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.